Hello guys, you're welcome again to my channel Excellent TV, where I bring to you information and facts about Nigeria and beyond. Today I'll be talking about 12 shocking facts you never knew about the whole Yoruba tribe and their kingdom. But if this is your first time visiting my channel and you are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on the red subscription button to subscribe now and click on the notification bell. Get notified whenever I upload new videos. And as you're doing so, may God Almighty bless you. Thank you. So let's get started. Do you know that number 16 is a sacred number in Yoruba land? The 16 based on all crown created from Ile-Ife ancestral crowns must be 16 in number. There are 16 Odu Ifa incarnations. Do you also know that Ile-Ife has 16 elders, now kings, who also advises the Olufe, Oni? You also know that there are 16 points in Ibadan, although all cities in Yoruba land only have 4 entries. Number 2. Do you also know that Olowo's Palace is the oldest palace in Yoruba land? Many people used to think everything about Yoruba people started from Ile-Ife, but that is not entirely true. The oldest palace in Yoruba land is that of Olowo in Owo, Ondo State. The palace is about 10,000 years old. And number 3, do you also know that Oduduwa is not the first king in Ile-Ife, contrary to the beliefs which originated from lies and fables being spread around about Oduduwa being the first king of Ile-Ife? There has been about 90 kings before Oduduwa. Among these kings are Obalufon, number 2, Obamakin, and etc. Number 4, do you also know that Yorubas also have a close relationship with the Gobiri tribe of Borno? From the time of Oduduwa, there was a relationship with the Borno tribe, and up to this day, Gobiri people won't engage any Yoruba man in a quarrel because they see them as brothers. And number 5, the word Yoruba was given to Oyo people alone prior to 1903. Only people that do answer the name Yoruba were only Oyo people alone. But in 1903, the British government asked everyone, including those in Ilorin, to bear the name Yoruba since we all came from Ile-Ife. The Oni of Ife at that time rejected it, but he later agreed. The Oni of Ife was not the first title of kings in Ile-Ife. Prior to the Oni title, there have been titles like Owa, Oye, and Olufe. And number 6, do you also know that Ile-Ife was a capital city of all Yoruba towns, so ambassadors are selected to represent other towns in Ile-Ife. It is out of these ambassadors, who are in 16 numbers, that the Olufe is choosing, why the rest may never see him again till he dies. And number 7, do you also know that not all Yorubas are descendants of Oduduwa? Contrary to beliefs that all Yorubas came from Oduduwa, there has been towns and places in existence before he began to rule. Some of these towns are Hilesha, Ijebu-Owo, Obaile, and etc. In fact, the house of Ogedengbe in present-day Ilesha is older than Oduduwa. And number 8, do you also know that Oduduwa was born in Ile-Ife? There was no such thing as Oduduwa falling from the sky. This folklore started from Obaile in present-day Akure. This word just lies also. Oduduwa does not have any relationship with anyone from Benin or Benin. His brother was Obatala. And number 9, do you also know that Ogun is the first man who learned how to read and write? Okonbi, who is also known as Ogun, the god of iron, who was the son of Oduduwa, was the first man to read and write in Yoruba land. That is why he is called Ogunlakaye. That is, Ogun who knows can read and write. In fact, it was written on his house Ile-Ife till this day that he was the first in Yoruba land who could read and write. And number 10, did you also know that the word Oba started from the Obatalas? Most Yoruba kings, even up to this day, are called by their ancient titles Iji, Owa of Ijesha land, Oni of Ife, Alaafin of Oyo, etc. The word Oba was only used for the Obatalas, e.g., Obalufe, Obalufo, Obamakin, and etc. But with time, people begin to use the word Oba as a common noun to call a king in Yoruba. However, their title still remains. Number 11. Do you also know that Nana of Ashanti in Ghana is also a Yoruba man? During the Bashorun Yangba's reign, so many towns were conquered, among them had the Ashanti land in present-day Ghana. And number 12, which is where I'm going to stop for now. Do you also know that Ogun was the first man to use iron? You ever wondered why Ogun, the god of iron, who is called Okombi by the Oyo people, and also known as Ide Kushero Ake, means brass cannot be used to make axe, was the first man to use iron? Learned all this art when he followed his father Oduduwa to war in Egypt. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop for today. If you found this interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment in the comment section below. Until I come your way next time, do take care of yourself and bye!